Hey everyone. A lot of you have been asking for some more relaxing videos, especially videos that will help you maybe relax in the evening or head to bed. So this video is to help you calm your mind with some breathing techniques, as well as some really soothing postures to help you head to bed or relax from your long day. Okay guys, we're gonna get started in a comfortable seat. So if a comfortable seat for you is not just sitting up and down, then I want you to bring your back against a wall. I want you to bring your back against the edge of your bed or a sofa, or bring your tailbone up onto a pillow, a blanket, or a block to kind of elevate your tailbone. I also want you to notice if the cross of your legs is comfortable. I'm gonna bring one foot slightly in front of the other, so that way my stance is slightly staggered versus my ankles crossed. I just want you to take your palms up, and then we're gonna close our eyes together. So as we close our eyes, I want you just to notice your day, especially if you're doing this practice in the evening, and allow yourself to run through just kind of the ups and downs, but then end with the thought and breath of gratitude. So as long as we can apply gratitude to our day and allow ourselves to be thankful for certain opportunities, for certain things that occurred, then we can allow ourselves to go to bed quietly without our head running. I want you to inhale slowly, just blink your eyes open for me, and then roll your shoulders down your back. From there, you're gonna take alternate nostril breathing. So there's multiple ways to do this. We're gonna work with this grip right here, so pinky finger or mudra, thumb out, and then index finger and pointer finger together, and we're gonna bring our right here at our third eye. Your pinky and thumb are extended away from each other, and we're just gonna bring our pinky to press into our nose. I'll kind of show you from the side if it's hard to see. And then from there, we're just gonna inhale through the nose side, close off the nose side with the thumb, and then open pinky side, and then exhale out of pinky. Let's inhale through pinky, close pinky, exhale thumb. Inhale thumb, close thumb, and then open and exhale pinky. If your arm gets tired, you can always support your body right here by holding the arm. So inhale back through pinky, close pinky, exhale thumb. You can close your eyes if you want. Inhale thumb, close thumb, and exhale pinky. You should get the idea of the pattern, so continue 3 more rounds. Once you press out a pinky, allow your palms to face up on your knees and close your eyes again. And then give yourself an opportunity just to feel a little lightheaded from the pranayama, from your breath. Allow your hands to move a little bit, maybe some tingling in the fingers from your mudra. And then as you look down, I just want you to switch your legs. I'm just gonna walk your hands forward. And then just bow down. From here, we're gonna shift ourselves back up to seated. And then I'm gonna turn forward on my mat. And we're just gonna allow our bodies to come down to the earth. From here, I want you to allow your feet to touch as your knees fall apart, and then lay your hands on your low belly. If this hurts your hips or your knees, maybe place blocks underneath them, otherwise keep them here. And then just inhale through the nose, big breath in. And then blow out a big candle on your exhale. And then do that again, inhale in. Exhale, candle breath out. You're gonna slowly and carefully allow your knees to come together. Let them touch as your feet separate. Inhale, sweep your arms up and over your head. Exhale, you're gonna take your left arm, grab your right ear, and then pull your left ear over to your left shoulder, sliding the right arm out to 3 o'clock. And just kind of hold right here onto the base or the top of your neck, kind of the base of the jawline, and then pull over. And then inhale, come back through center. You're gonna slide your right ear over to your right shoulder, your right arm up. Your left arm is out to 9 o'clock now, and you're just gonna pull over, and notice I'm kind of like laying into my shoulder, and just shut your eyes. From here, you're gonna inhale, reach your arms away from your body. Exhale, bring your knees to your belly, extend your legs to the sky, and then just roll through the ankles. So take a couple rounds. And then just keep your legs up. So notice my legs are kind of over my belly versus further away from me, which makes my core work. So just keep the legs right here, and then bring the hands back along the sides. And then as the feet are over our face, just noticing in this position, allowing our legs to be elevated, just this release along the back of the leg, down the leg to the tailbone. Take a full breath in. Just notice if you can allow yourself to relax a little bit more, weightless legs. And then exhale, let your heels fall to your bottom, let your thighs come in, and then you can give yourself a big hug. Roll up towards the knees. Exhale, keep the right knee in, extend the left leg out, and pause. Take your right knee into a spinal twist. I'm gonna twist away from you. I'm gonna pick up my hips, scoot them slightly right, and then reach my right arm away. From here, we're gonna take our right arm. All right, so watch if you're confused at this. Bring it up by your ear again. And now turn your head away from your right arm. So look over the left shoulder, and you should feel a greater release along the ribs, along the side body, the armpit region. Take a full breath in. Exhale, slide your arm back, slide your hips back, hug your knee in tight. And then from there, we're just gonna switch our legs. So we'll bring the left knee in, and we'll push our right leg forward. Good, breath in, and breath out. From here, we'll pull our knee across the body. So I'm gonna scoot my hips slightly left and extend my left arm away. Look over the left shoulder for a couple breaths for me. And then exhale, roll your head to the right, slide your left arm up, and then just kind of feel this long pull in the side body. Relax. Take your time, come back through center. Exhale, bring yourself back as you hug your knee. And give it a big squeeze. Plant your foot on the mat, slide your opposite leg in. Inhale, raise your hips. And then exhale, lower. Place your hands on your pelvis. And then keep your left hand there. Slide your right hand up to your heart and just feel your breath for me. I want you to return to that mindset of what you're grateful for that we did when we were seated. I want you to allow yourself to not continue to think about today or tomorrow or next week, but this present moment of right now, of what you're hoping to gain from allowing yourself to sit quietly and breathe before you head to bed. When you head to bed staring at a phone, when you head to bed staring at a television, at your computer, your mind spinning, your sleep doesn't allow you to enjoy, to fall asleep. Your sleep gives you more stress. Your sleep is interrupted. So I encourage you to have the full night's sleep that you need so that your body can be rested and strong for tomorrow. Please stay here on your back as we close, or Feel free, if you're not in bed yet and you still have a couple of things to do, sit up with me. Then as we sit up together, you'll just close your eyes again. Lift your heart forward, your hands can rest. Then I want you to take your fingers, if you need to look, you can, and place them along your eyebrow line and just kind of massage your temples. And you can do this on your back if you're on your backs. And massage your forehead line right above your eyebrows. And then from there, we're just going to kind of take the fingers straight down to the jawline. Massage. And then exhale as the hands meet the heart. One more breath of gratitude. Blink your eyes open. I hope you are able to fall asleep without any stress, anxiety, or continuous emotion, and just allow yourselves to enjoy your rest. If this was kind of the start to your morning and you needed a calmer morning, I hope you enjoyed that as well. Thank you guys so much.